In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the value of an affiliate offer that you want to promote and earn more commissions in the process. So as you can see on this page here, I'm addressing the customer and saying the value of everything you're getting for free today is such and such and such. And I am telling him to make sure you get it from the link button below. So the customer needs to go to my affiliate link below and purchase the offer in order for him to get these 3 products completely free. So let's start from the beginning. So usually we go to WarriorPlus or any other affiliate network, we pick an offer to promote and then promote it. But if we want to add value to the customer, we can offer exclusive bonuses for those who purchase through our affiliate link. So it's a win-win situation. The customer will be getting more value and more related products to the main offer, and the affiliate will be earning more commissions. Let me show you an example of how I do this strategy. So first, the affiliate offer I'm promoting here is called PLR Gold Mine. So to find the offer and request approval, all you have to do is go to the affiliate tab here and then click on offers, and this list of offers will show up, and then I want to show only approved offers. Now on this page I can see only the affiliate offers where I am already approved, and the one I'm using for this example is this one. Unrestricted PLR eBooks Gold Mine, sold 100 copies since yesterday, October 21st, and as you can see here, I am already approved. If I click on the name of this offer, I will be on this affiliate page for this offer. You can take a look at the funnel, you can check the commissions, you can check also the JV page where you can find tools to use in your promotion. So this is my affiliate link, and what I wanted to show you actually is behind this button here. So if I click on this button, there will be a pop-up which gives me my affiliate link, but if you look here, you will see buyer bonus URL. So buyer bonus URL. This is what I want to do. I want to include a URL for a page where I deliver my exclusive bonuses. So the customer will not have to contact me in order to get his bonuses, but as soon as he makes the purchase, he will get also a link to my bonuses. So he will get the link to download the main offer that he purchased, and he will get also this link here to purchase the bonuses I promised him before he purchased. So for the same price, the customer will be getting 4 products instead of 1. The bonuses are related to the main offer, so he will get more value from it, only if he buys from our affiliate link. So let me give you more details about this. So usually we use a mini funnel to collect the email address and send the prospects to the sales page. This is another technique where we send the prospects to a bonus page. So I made this bonus page here where it says in the beginning that this is a huge opportunity to get lots of content, lots of PLR content, etc. And then I say that they need to purchase the main offer from this bonus page, where of course my affiliate link is embedded here. So I present the main offer, and then I will just go ahead and present my bonuses. Bonus number 1, this is a value of $17. Actually, it's selling for $17, and I give a link where it is selling and all the details, what is included in this package. The bonus number 2, this another product, and the bonus number 3, which is selling right now for $27, and he can get it for free. And of course I give them details about each bonus I'm giving away. So These bonuses will be available instantly on the WarriorPlus thank you page or receipt. This is what I was talking about in just a few minutes. And after that, there is a recap of the sales prices of the bonuses. So it's a total of $51. And I also remind the customer to grab the main offer from this page, where there is a big button here at the bottom. Click the above button to make the purchase. So if my customer clicks on this button here, he will be taken to the sales page, of course, through my affiliate link. And if he makes the purchase here, he will access directly to the main product and the bonuses. So after the purchase, it will find the link to my delivery page, where I say thank you for grabbing the ebook Goldmine PR package from my bonus page, and then I will give him the links to download each and every bonus. So as you can see here, there are download links here. So you can also put something here like which is related, like another affiliate offer that is related to the first one, for optimizing your earnings. Now there are two questions that comes to my mind. The first one, what if I don't have bonuses to give away? And the second one is, how can I come up with these pages here, the bonus page and the delivery page, to deliver the promised bonuses? Well, I will answer that in a second, but before that, if you're getting any value from this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. It will be a well appreciated support. Now for the first question, how to come up with free bonuses to give away. Well, actually this offer here is an answer, because there are tons of products and ebooks that you have the right to give away as a bonus for a paid offer. It's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm giving away products as a bonus for a paid offer. So you can grab this offer here. It's full of content that you can use yourself and that you can offer as bonus for affiliate offers like this. And to create these pages here, actually, if you don't have a template, or if you don't have where to host them, you can use Blogger. It is free. So blogger.com, you can create a blog and then make your pages. And you can also download one of my products here, which is, I think, this one here, which offers you a free HTML template that you can modify and make bonus pages and delivery pages. Well, all the links that will be in the description below for the resources that you will need for this strategy. And you will be done. You will be making pages using these free HTML templates. And if you grab this offer from my link, you will be getting this big, this is actually a huge PLR product. So this was it, guys, for today's video. Please like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll be back to answer ASAP. And thank you very much for making it so far, and have a great day.